Hello, today we're going to do a short video about how to use the alarm screen on the SITEK SlickDevice Controller as well as the manual mode to do some basic troubleshooting. So we're going to look at troubleshooting a potential 20 psi alarm. So first we're going to go ahead and jump into the alarm screen. Okay, and so now that we're on our N2 pressure failure screen, we can see what our cause is. The 20 psi N2 pressure switch has an open circuit. Okay, so that means that our 20 psi switch, as it says, has an open circuit. It's not identifying enough pressure to run the system. So here's some common troubleshooting. We need to confirm the regulator set to the system spec and that N2 is present. Oftentimes people will do maintenance on their system and honestly just forget to turn the N2 back on. We can then jump out the 20 psi N2 pressure switch to see if the switch has failed. And we also have another video about that on our YouTube channel that shows where the pressure switch is and how to jump it out. And then lastly, we can also swap controllers to see if the controller has any signal issues. So that's not as common of a failure, but it is still a possibility. And what we can also do here is we can jump into our menu. We can come into our manual mode. Warning, be careful in manual mode. We can jump into our valve screen and we can see that our N2 pressure supply is currently happy. We can also then turn on dry or turn on our purge to see if we're causing any pressure drops that might be indicating that the 20 psi isn't met when our valves are turning on. So that's just a quick example of how we can use both the alarm screen and our maintenance mode troubleshooting screen to address alarms that might be occurring on your spin rinse dryer.